What's up, y'all? It's Darica here with another video, and as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing a Tinashe hair review, deep wave hair, and yeah, so let's get the video. It came in this little package. Yeah, it came in this little package, and it was a really cute package because I could reuse this package. So yeah, and it came. I ordered it on July the 26th, and it came today. So it was real bad shipping. I paid $145 for the hair, and they had great customer service and everything. I ordered 3 26-inch bundles with a 20-inch closure. It's a 4x4 closure, and yeah. So 26 bundles with a 20-inch closure because I wanted my hair to be real long when I go back to school. So when I first opened it up, I looked at this because maybe this could be a coupon or something. That's what I'm thinking. So it was this, and it says to be a Tinashe VIP. It just says like options that you could do, so you could get like $5 off, $10 off. Yeah, you could share on Instagram or Facebook for $5. Make a video on YouTube, which is what I'm doing now, y'all, for $10, and leave 5-star feedback with pictures for $5. That's what I did too, because yeah. And on the back is Tyburn 100% human hair, and Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Like, yeah, it has the same like the same app for all their social media. It has their email and they WhatsApp and iMessage. And yeah. So I ordered it, and I was under the impression that it might not have been like good hair because I've been seeing. I was gonna order cranberry hair, y'all. I was gonna order the cranberry hair off AliExpress, but I seen a lot of bad reviews and scams on YouTube about it, and I wasn't really feeling it. So I asked my cousin where she get her deep wave bundles at, and she told me Tinashe hair. So I looked on AliExpress, and yeah, I looked at the reviews, and they're really good reviews, and everybody said that they got there in 4 days, which what I did. And yeah, they said it was good quality. You know, it's always like a few people that have like something bad to say, maybe because they don't know how to take care of it, but it was mostly 5 or 4 stars. And so that is why I bought it. That's why I bought it. But I really don't have anything negative to say. But I will be applying this hair. When I install this hair, I will be doing another review of how I manage it, like how it goes with managing what I do. Like, I don't know why I'm gonna call the video, but what's gonna be in it is like what I do to keep my hair, and like what I do to keep my hair wavy, and yeah, how manageable is it, does it shed, stuff like that. That's what I'll be doing in my next video. And also, right before school start, y'all, I'll be doing a back to school haul. I am heavy on the hauls, y'all. Like, I'm heavy on hauls, so that's what I'll be doing for my next video. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. So y'all should like, comment, subscribe, and if y'all have any questions, just leave them in the comment section.